Good morning, all. This is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Tuesday, the 28th of April. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts, and I'm not here to issue trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ctmcrypto.substack.com. It's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, great. Let's have a look at Bitcoin first. Bitcoin, we're seeing a bit of a pullback here on the weekly chart. We are now very slightly below the weekly middle band. That could be support, of course, but this could be the start of what is at this stage a 3-month long-awaited move to head back and retest this low here at 60.1k. We still have a daily RSI 5 sell signal, and I'm thinking that wouldn't get us back to that low, but it would certainly get us back further towards that low. In terms of the daily middle band, we are still significantly above it, and obviously the 50 DMA as well. That will need to break as well to open the downside. In terms of the hourly charts, we've actually got a possible hourly RSI 5 buy signal, RSI 14 buy signal brewing here. Watching that with interest. In terms of the overall bear flag, this looks like a bearish overthrow, and I was saying that we were setting up a potential nested double top here. The smaller double top here is starting to break down. Next support would be at 73.7k, and a sustained break below that would open back and move to the flag support, which I've got currently in about the 67,600 area. All right, looking at Solana, obviously Solana wasn't close to testing the weekly middle band. On the daily chart, we didn't have any negative divergence on that either, and we are significantly below both the 50 DMA and the daily middle band, both of them at 85 and change, and Solana currently at 83.33. Right, we still basically operating on the original bear flag that broke down and has got a target at a retest of the low here at 67.65. We're forming kind of a roughish triangle here, but basically this looks like a bearish consolidation setting up a retest of that low. We will see. I've got rising support from the low I'm currently at about the 80.5 area, and that's the main support area I'm watching at the moment. All right, looking at Ethereum. Ethereum has been testing the weekly middle band, but unlike Bitcoin, has not broken back above it. We're seeing a nice little reversal here at the moment. An RSI 5 sell signal is fixed on the daily chart there as well. Won't take an awful lot further before that reaches target. We're back below the daily middle band, and we're slightly above the 50 DMA. By the time we get to the 50 DMA, which I've got in about the 2200 area, we might be reaching the possible near miss target on the daily RSI 5. Daily RSI 5 sell signal. We've got a little, hang on, let's have a quick check on Solana. Did we have any positive divergence on the hourly chart? Yes, we've got a possible RSI 14 buy signal brewing there too. Looking at the hourly chart on Ethereum, we haven't quite got it because we haven't retested this last low, but we may be doing that shortly. So in terms of an overall flag here, not an awful looking flag, but not a great one either. We will see how this goes. In terms of a topping pattern here, not really got one, I don't think. Arguably a head shoulders here, but it's a bit of a stretch. But as and when we see some movement to the downside, I'll be looking for a test of the flag support, which I've got in about the 1980 area at the moment, and then on a break below that, I'd be looking for a retest of 1746.93. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. Everyone take care, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.